When working with lights in Godot, you might quickly run into a problem. Godot only allows a maximum of 16 lights per surface. This means that if you go over the limit, some of your lights will just disappear, and this is a big deal because, for example, a tilemap layer is considered a single surface. So what now? Are you going to give up on your dream dungeon crawler filled with glowing magic and lights? Well, of course not, because there are some ways to work around this. For example, if you do not care too much about cast shadows, a solution for this is to replace some or all of your lights with a black and white sprite that has a canvas material with an additive blending mode. In this setup, the black areas of the texture remain invisible, while the white areas brighten the underlying pixels, mimicking the effect of a real light source with the benefit that you can add as many lights as you want. Additionally, if you want more control, you could also use a shader like this one. Simply make a sprite go to material and drag and drop the shader. Now, open shader parameters and add any texture you want to be the light texture, and finally change the other parameters until the light is to your liking. However, if you do care about the shadows, then a simple script like this one can be used to turn the lights on and off based on the player's distance. This way, the closer lights will be active and the further lights will be inactive. If this solution also doesn't suit your case, then instead of reducing lights, try increasing surfaces. You could add multiple tilemap layers, add nodes on top of those layers, or even lower tilemap's quadrant size, which will render it as multiple surfaces instead of just one. So yeah, experiment, find what works best to you, and let me know in the comments what other tricks you would use in order to get over this issue. Thanks again for watching, subscribe to the channel for more peanuts, and see you in the next one.